Hello 6th standard students, good morning. Stay home and stay safe. Today we will study science. Take out your science book and open the first lesson. It is natural resources, air, water and land. What are natural resources, do you know? Yes, they are soil, rocks, forest, animals, fossil fuels, air and many more things. We will focus only on three main resources which include all of these things. 1. Atmosphere. 2. Hydrosphere. 3. Lithosphere. Atmosphere comes from the word atmos. Atmos means air. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere comes from the word hydro. Hydro means water. Lithosphere. Lithosphere comes from the word litho. Litho means land. Let us know about atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of air around the earth. In this envelope, there are 5 sublayers. The first and closest layer to the earth's surface is troposphere. Troposphere contains 80% of total air. It includes nitrogen dioxide, oxygen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, etc. Second layer is stratosphere. It is ozone layer. Third layer is mesosphere. It is cloud forming layer. Fourth layer is ionosphere. It is also known as thermosphere. It helps in radio wave propagation. Fifth layer and the last layer is exosphere. It contains very negligible air. Therefore, it is considered as vacuum layer. You can go through the importances of gases, that is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, sulfur dioxide, etc. Now just go to the page number 3. There you will find some pictures that shows air pollution. Let's understand what is air pollution. When unwanted and harmful gases mix with the air, which can cause health problems to the living things, then those gases are called pollutants and the incidence is called air pollution. Smoke coming out from the industries, burning of fossil fuels emits carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Gas leakages, all these activities are being done by humans, which cause air pollution. Let us see positive side of atmosphere, that is ozone layer. What is ozone gas? Ozone is a molecule of 3 oxygen. We call it O3. How is it important? It is present in the stratosphere. It absorbs ultraviolet rays which comes from the sun, which are very harmful for living things. Thus, it prevents these harmful rays to reach on the earth. Thus, the life on the earth safe. One positive side of the atmosphere. As you know, stratosphere is also called as ozone layer. Ozone is a molecule of 3 oxygen. We can also call it as O3. How is it important? Ozone, which is present in stratosphere, absorbs ultraviolet rays which come from the sun. If they reach on the earth, they can destroy the life on the earth. But ozone layer absorbs these rays, thus prevents them to reach on the earth and save the life.